You've just gotten paid, bills are piling up, and you need that money now. You're thinking, I'll just transfer it to my Chime account. But wait, how long does that actually take? Let's dive in. We've all been there. You're staring at your Chime balance, praying those funds hit your account ASAP. It's like watching paint dry, but with money. So, let's break down the factors that influence how long your Chime transfer takes. First off, it depends on where your money is coming from. If it's a direct deposit from your employer, chances are it'll hit your Chime account as soon as it's sent. No waiting around. It's like Christmas morning for your bank account. But what if your money is coming from another bank? Well, that's where things can get a little tricky. Chime generally states that transfers from external accounts can take up to 5 business days. 5 whole days. That's an eternity in money waiting land. But don't despair, it's not always that long. Several factors can speed up or slow down the process. The type of transfer you're doing matters. Some transfers are faster than others. For instance, if you're using Chime's Pay Anyone feature to send money to another Chime member, it's instant. Boom! Money transferred. But if you're transferring from a traditional bank to Chime, it might take a bit longer. Also, the bank you're transferring from plays a role. Some banks are quicker than others. It's like the tortoise and the hare of the banking world. So, if your money is coming from a speedy bank, you might see it in your Chime account sooner. Now, let's talk about weekends and holidays. These are like speed bumps on the transfer highway. If you initiate a transfer on a Friday, don't expect to see the money on Monday. Banks typically don't process transfers on weekends or holidays. So, plan accordingly. To give you a clearer picture, let's do a quick recap. Direct deposits, usually instant. Transfers from external banks, up to 5 business days, but can be faster or slower depending on the transfer type and the bank involved. Weekends and holidays slow down the process. So, how can you speed things up? Well, there's not a magic wand, but you can try to initiate transfers during business hours. Avoid weekends and holidays. And if you need the money urgently, consider using a faster transfer method like Chime's Pay Anyone if the recipient also has Chime. Remember, these are general guidelines. Your actual transfer time might vary. If you're in a hurry, it's always a good idea to contact Chime customer support for more specific information. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy transferring.